What is up, everybody? Shooting today from on the balcony. It's a really warm day out here today. We got an awesome view out this side. Have a look. Got the river and some palms. Today's video I wanted to talk about e-commerce and affiliate marketing. The difference between e-commerce and affiliate marketing, and why I personally choose affiliate marketing to run as my primary online business. So essentially, affiliate marketing is selling other people's products or services online. You generally online courses, education, coaching, live event workshops, all that kind of stuff. It's more information based, whereas e-commerce is more of a physical based product, selling on Amazon, selling on Shopify, and outsourcing, pretty much shopping through China and selling products on your website. So the reason why I prefer affiliate marketing is because I love the team building aspect. I love the fact that you're able to coach people. I love the fact that you're able to work with people directly, and you're able to personally make an impact in somebody's life. Whereas I feel with e-commerce, selling a physical product is not really fulfilling. Like, yeah, it's good to make some money, but it's just as stressful to figure it all out, if not more stressful, because you have to handle physical products, whether you're handling it or the Chinese are handling it or whoever is doing your logistics, shipping, handling, and all the rest of it. I feel like there's more problems with e-commerce, but also just not as fulfilling, because you can't actually help people to change their life unless you create an affiliate product teaching them how to do e-commerce, which again goes back to affiliate marketing anyway. So that's why I choose affiliate marketing over e-commerce, because I feel like e-commerce is just missing that flame, that fire. It just doesn't give me that passion and that desire to go out and build a life that I love. So when I get those comments from people that do join our business and do transform their life, they're able to quit their jobs, they're able to start traveling, they're able to stay at home with their families and loved ones, and they're able to actually achieve their definition of success and able to live life on their own terms, how they choose. Well, that is what fulfills you. When you get those messages, when people are actually coming back with that kind of feedback, that is what lights me up. That's what makes me feel good inside. So I love building a team, I love working with people, I love coaching people, and I love seeing their transformation. So that is my tip for affiliate marketing and why I choose it. But both work. And at the end of the day, we sell both courses. We sell information, coaching, programs around both of them. If you want to learn how to sell on Amazon, you want to source products directly from the manufacturers in China, we have import-exports. It's a fantastic e-commerce course to learn how to sell on Amazon. We have that. We also have the affiliate marketing side, which can teach you how to sell online, make money online through our affiliate offers. But we also have courses that will teach you online marketing skills that you could implement into your existing business. So if you already have your own product or service and you just want to learn how to market it online, how to build out your website, how to run YouTube ads, Facebook ads, or anything like that, then we also have products and courses available, coaching, live workshops, intensive, detailed products for you, that even if you've got a restaurant, brick and mortar business, you want to learn how to market it, you want to learn how to get people in that door, we have something for everybody. My personal choice is affiliate marketing. Okay, so that's all today's video is about, guys. It's scorching hot out here. I'm gonna go back inside. I've got to get ready for a dinner tonight. Myself and my beautiful girlfriend Mars inside. She's just having a shower, and my cousin are going on a double date. My cousin and his girlfriend. So it's gonna be a good night. And I think this is video 13 or 14 now. Nah. Who cares? I'll see you on the next video either way. See you guys. Have a good weekend.